Chian Swatala Panda, and today I'm going to say that marketing is the king or marketing is everything. You might be thinking that I am more present to my career or my sector where I'm dreaming to see myself in my future. But it's actually not like that. Yeah, of course, I really love my part or I really love my career, work, etc. But truth is, this is marketing is really king. But why why I told that marketing is the king? Because from the from the beginning of your life, you can, if you judge, then you can find that we are utilizing marketing skill from the beginning of your life. You can say that you are also using the finance also from the beginning of your life, and mostly finance and marketing, because other parts sometimes you use and sometimes you don't also, but from the beginning of our life you usually use these two: finance, calculation, marketing skill from the beginning only. like you like you can check it out from the when you born. After you get birth, means after you get the knowledge, how you asking your parents for something else, something means when you are demanding something, how you are demanding, papa just give me that. Okay, then at that time papa also tell you, okay, first you get this one, then I will give you this kind of gift. First you get this much mark, then after that you will get this kind of gifts. They always put something kind condition there. Marketing is also like that. Sometimes also you have to fulfill your target, then only you can get some extra money, and you can earn as much as you can if you can fulfill the targets, if you can achieve your targets. And it's all about the skills which you get from the beginning of your life. And marketing is nothing just about the lot of skill which you gain from the beginning, from the knowledge which you get from the throughout a life. This is one example I have given. Not only that, from your school teachers, even you also negotiate your marks sometimes. You also negotiate everything with your parents, your friends, your sister, your brother, everything. So marketing is all about the negotiating, how you are negotiate your demand, how you negotiate your skill, how you convince your parents for giving the money, and how you convince your sister or brother to do your homework, how you convince your teacher to get to know understand what you have written, how you convince your friends to go with you for some party, etc. It's all about the knowledge we are gaining from the beginning of your life. Yeah, finance we use only for the mathematic part, or sometimes we go outside. But if you take marketing we are using from the beginning of our life. When you start means when we don't have also knowledge about the marketing, but still we are doing marketing from the beginning unknowingly. So for that reason, I really love marketing, because it is the core. Uh, And most of the time, companies spend lots of money for marketing only. But what I felt that marketing is nothing. It's a mind game. It is a psychological game. They just touch the emotion of the person. Same product, if you see, same product like Samsung and Apple, or Micromax or Apple. Sometimes means I'm just giving you a random example. Why some people love Apple? Why do people don't love means as compared to the Apple? Why do they don't love the Micromax and other mobiles? Why? Reason is one. First is the brand name. What is a brand name then? You might be thinking that branding and lot of terms are coming in front of us, which called as marketing. That actually defines the marketing. But truth is, it's all about what we gain from the beginning. When you are a child, you might be thinking that you maintain some kind of status. No, we shouldn't do like this because this is not in our culture. First of all, our parents or our elders tell that you shouldn't do like this because this is not in our culture. You shouldn't do like this, and you should behave like that. You should you should respect your elders and you should do like this and all. These are the things we learn from the beginning. They are saying that this is your culture, this is should be, and like that. So it defines our culture, it defines our background. So like that only, we just try to keep our image like that. And brand is like that only. If a person is really brand image conscious person, that person will choose the Apple only. Because money is nothing. If you see same product, same kind of advantage or some kind of features. Yeah, some kind of different features you might get, like that is security purpose or something like that. But still, it's as compared to the money, that there is nothing. Same product. But why people choose that? It's all about the mind game. Just like I have told that from the beginning of our life, our parents said that no, you shouldn't do like this. It's all about image. And Apple is all about the image. It's all about the touching the emotion of the people. When they acquire the Apple, when they have the Apple mobile or Apple iPhone or Apple iPad, at that time they feel like, yes, we are the image conscious people. We have the name, we have the image. So that's the reason we keep it with us, because it shows our image. So marketing is not a big deal or not a big game. It's all about the mind game which we are utilizing from the beginning of your life. Even emotion also, it touches the emotion. If you see the advertising, how it's actually touches the emotion of the people. In advertising, you might be seen that how they have done it very minutely. Means if you see some ad, really I love it. And one is diamond ad, जो दिल के diamond देने वालों का दिल भी diamond होता है. I really love that ad also. That is diamond ad. So like that, some also brew coffee and sometimes chocolate. That is nothing. If you see something, like if there is some kind of feature, kind of means any kind of product is like a mobile phone or any kind of different product, manufacturing product, there you can say that your product is something different than the others. But when it comes to chocolate, when it comes to something different, something daily uses product, at that time how you motivate your customers to buy your product. And there only one thing actually works, that is the emotion. How you attract your customers through the emotion. If you touch the heart of your mother, then the mother will choose those things which will be benefited for the kid. Like I am saying, like whether it comes to the toothpaste or chocolate or any kind of food items, mom are very conscious about the children. That's the reason they show the products which connect with the mother only. And sometimes some are showing to the wife, sometimes some are showing to the husband, sometimes some are showing to only focusing on the lover. So if you see, all the ad is some kind of, they touch our heart. Like if you relate that from our childhood days, or from what we have learned from our experience, you might have seen that how you try to touch the emotion of our people, how you convince our people, how we convince those people whom we love so much. Like if we quarrel with a friend, at that time, how we convince our friend that okay, something has happened, forget that, and you remind them how they were good and how they love you and all. It's all about the emotion what you will learn from the beginning of your life. And what I felt, that market is nothing but it's all about the game of emotion, experience, and it's all about how you impose your idea, how you are showing your customers, and it's all about saying and showing and it. And if you really go deep into marketing, you will surely fall in love with that, because no doubt companies spend lots of money for marketing only, because it's very easy to think and do something. Means if something is already there, it's easy to manage the people. Or sometimes also if you are in a management team, at that time you just give the orders and they will obey. But when it comes to something like out of the box, at that time you have to think a lot how your mind should, means how you convince your customers, how you understand your customers well, how you perceive, how the customers perceive you. That's the reason companies spend lots of money for marketing only, because they know finance department they will do the calculation, HR department they will get the right employee, but marketing that actually sell the product. For that reason you, the others are getting the money. The more the product will be sold, the more the other will be gainer, and the more the company will gain the image or get the name, or the name and fame, and as well as the increase its revenue. So marketing is king. Don't ever criticize the marketing. Whenever people ask me that why I choose marketing, then I say that I choose the king, and I love to be with king only, because king is always a king, and you can't ignore that. And that's why I love. If I can't be king, at least I will be the minister, or I will be something like that. So why everyone wants to be in high, so I just choose that. I just choose as per my priority, and I feel that I'm good in that. So because I love to utilize my all the experience you in my career, I feel that marketing is all about the experiencing and all about the creativity, and it's all about that something exploring, something new you are exploring in this world. And this is what actually marketing is going to give you. And sometimes people have the different image, or sometimes people have the different thinking about the marketing, that sometimes people think that marketing, in marketing people can, they can sell anything else, and they are not believable at all. But this is not true at all. Marketing is not about that. Marketing all about the trust. Marketing based on the trust. The more you trust the marketing, or the more you trust the people, the more you can gain. And it is also true that sometimes some products are also not too much good, but still they can be sold to the people. Some product, like some product also not good at all for the human being, but still they are sold because for the gainer. And some people who actually do the marketing, they also sell the product. And like it's just like the lawyer in the court, there is two sides. One is the innocent, another is the criminal. But sometimes also criminal also get released. It's also like that. But in every case it's not like that. Sometimes marketing doesn't mean that every time the product will be bad. Sometimes some product also bad, that I also agree, but you, for that reason you can't blame marketing. So marketing is the king, and you should love in marketing. And I love marketing because of that reason, because it give me the scope to explore myself, and I feel that I fall in love with marketing. Seriously telling. Hope you like it. Thank you all.